shaky.
Look at you and Dad to see where I might end up if I married him. I mean, look at the track record. How else we are blessed as witches?
I can't stop shaking. I am doing my hair in box braids.
We're all just destined to end up alone.
It's 1:30 in the morning. I'm tired.
Just because.
I have this half of my head to finish. I've done the back completely. And that's all.
Fire. Straight crisp. Get that shit. Yeah. Yeah. I'm saying.
I need to know one thing.
That's so pretty.
Stop.
Bing, bing, bing. Next one. Yeah. Yeah. Next one. Said y'all need your shit's done. This where you go.
You've got to let this whole cold thing go, okay? You can't stay mad at me forever. I'm not mad at you, Phoebe. I never was. Right? She was.
Straight fire. Straight fire.
I'm in the back of that bed. Start singing Nicki Minaj here. My focus face. Don't make fun of it. I hate my focus face. But I think everybody does. Unless you're just full of yourself. Just kidding, it's okay. Love that focus face. I'm gonna say my sideburns look a lot darker than they are. But also, go off sideburns. I didn't even finish my hair. I got like this roll left to do. I have to braid it and then add that hair to it.
Do you have any idea?
It is sleepy time. I'm gonna smoke and I'm going to sleep. Good morning. Gotta get up early. Can you not pick my teeth? Move. Couch was free. It was like, I'm almost done. That would complete. Sorry. Good morning, fellow compadres. What up? She They have fought with me through this journey. We are almost complete. Now for dun 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 the inches. Good morning. It is now
11:13.
I am with KK. Hello.
Hello.
She's got the head wrap on, looking beautiful. We went to my daughter's game this morning. Her name is Harmony.
No, baby.
We went to Starbucks and got some eats, got some drinks, and my cousin is also with us, but she's inside right now. This is how far I got with my hair. It's coming along. I keep getting stuck on things. We've had a long day. And it's only 11.
Long day, long night.
Starbucks is hitting.
It is.
Definitely a long night.
This is cute.
Your girl's working on 3 hours of sleep.
No, literally.
She's back in the building.
We got the cousin. Say hi.
Say hi to my YouTube.
Yeah,